Hey guys and girls, this is Jesse. It's my brother Jordan from JH Restorations up here in Canada.
As always, we've got a lot of great projects on the go here at JH Restorations, and today we're working with Edelbrock to show you their Pro-Flo 4 system, which we will be using on an LS swap.
Okay, that's enough with the introductions, guys. Let's get right to it. Let's show you how easy this package is to install and use.
Okay, for this swap, we're going to be using the Edelbrock part number 35711. This kit is used on GM LS engines with a 24-tooth crank reluctor. The engine that we have here behind us is out of a 2004 GMC Sierra.
The contents of kit 35711 include the Edelbrock Pro-Flo 4 ECU. Our kit contains the optional Android 7-inch tablet, oxygen sensor, injector harnesses, main engine harness, and all coil harnesses.
Alright guys, make sure you check out our upcoming videos where we'll discover just how easy this Pro-Flo 4 system makes the engine swap process, and we'll show you the transformation of RC10.
We feel that the Pro-Flo 4 system offers you the best bang for your buck along with out-of-the-box performance from a name that we both trust, Edelbrock.